Hello, my name is Mr. Codilla, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer a drawing to Styrofoam so you can print on that Styrofoam. Once you're done with your drawing, you want to go ahead and cut it out so it matches your Styrofoam there, and then you're going to tape it to your piece of Styrofoam. Just using some masking tape right there would be good enough. Now once you have it on there, you're going to take a pen, usually a different colored pen like a red or blue or green, something different from the color of the pencil, and you're going to go back over all your lines, making sure that you press firmly so that it digs down into the Styrofoam that it's taped to. So if you go ahead and trace over your lines, you should hear the paper ripping just a little bit. You want to make sure that you do trace over all your lines and don't leave any of them undone. You'll hear the Styrofoam actually crunching underneath the pressure of your pen as well. Once you're done tracing every single line, don't worry if little parts rip through. It's actually good if the pen actually rips through in some areas. It sounds kind of strange, but you actually want that to happen. Once you're finished, you want to carefully take off all the tape. Now be extra careful when doing this because the tape sometimes sticks really well to the Styrofoam, maybe too well because it'll rip the Styrofoam sometimes. So you want to be extra careful. And by the way, as you're drawing, you can actually peek underneath the paper and kind of see if you're pressing hard enough to make sure you're getting good indentions transferring from the drawing down into the Styrofoam. If I go ahead and peel this back, you can kind of see how the portrait is transferred to the Styrofoam. Now once your paper has been taken off, you want to go back over all your lines one more time, making sure that you press hard. It's not so much important that you're actually getting ink on the Styrofoam. It's more important that you're actually making the lines deeper into your Styrofoam. So you want to make sure you get a lot of good pressure still. So you're going to trace over all those lines again. Now you can kind of test it with your fingernail to make sure if you're getting deep enough there. And I would also say some lines can be thicker, like my outline around this portrait is going to be thicker, so sometimes I actually take my pen and tilt it so the line is thicker.